Bernie from Mettex again. Today I'm going to show you how to change the mandrel and top up the oil on a KJ45S. First of all, we'll change the mandrel. First of all, you need to remove the sleeve. Like that. And then we'll change it from M4 to M12. So in here you've got your new mandrel and your new spacer. To remove the old one, you need to take your tool off air, push this in and twist it out. Leave them to one side, and then because it's such a big mandrel, it doesn't need the spacer like the smaller ones do. So all you've got is your hex key and your mandrel, and just slot into there until it locks in, and that's it. And then you take the head, undo your locking nut, screw that on, then get your M12 head, screw that onto there, leave it loose, screw that on, and then just pinch it up this spanner. You haven't got to go mad, just pinch it up, and then you can then set your distance for your insert. We'll get an insert. If you put your tool on there, you can then wind on and set, because you need to use the whole thread for the whole insert. There we go. And then to set it, press the trigger, and then to adjust to set more or less, you need to hold the trigger, move it plus, that will give you more stroke, and again, and you keep doing that and keep doing that, trial and error, until you get the formation that you require, and you've set your insert. The red button unwinds it for you. So push on to wind on, black button to set, red button to unwind. And then now we'll show you how to top up the oil. The tool's lost a lot of stroke and it's taking 2 pulls to set the insert, or you know of any loss of oil. What we do is you keep the tool upright, you get your 4mm Allen key, there should be one supplied in the box. We open the oil cap at the top, you'll get a little bit of spillage, it's okay. You put the screw on your oil bottle, just finger tight, and then you stroke the tool a couple of times, and what that will do is any air trapped in the oil chamber will get released into the bottle, and then it will pull air in to replace it. Take that off, there. Oil plug back on. It's important you don't press the trigger when the oil plug is off, because your oil will shoot up to the ceiling. Then just pinch it up again. It doesn't need to be overly tight, just pinch it up. It will be good to go. That was how to change the mandrel and top up the oil on the KJ45S. Any other problems, just give me a call at Mettex.